Don't buy beverages bottles in plastic. Glass is great. Go to the farmer's market and purchase fresh fruits and veggies, not packaged in plastic. Buy bread from bakeries that package in paper. Clean with baking soda and vinegar instead of cleaners packaged in plastic. Buy farm fresh eggs in reusable paper containers. Get your cheese from the deli and place it in your own container, or get it wrapped in paper. Buy your meat from the deli and have it wrapped in paper. Do not use air fresheners. Light a candle or incense instead. Buy bulk cereal, bring your own paper bags. Buy milk in paper cartons. Buy peanut butter that is packaged in glass containers. Buy bar soap, not liquid body wash. When ordering drinks, say, "No straw please." Don't use Ziploc. If you need to keep things like half an onion, use aluminum or waxy paper. Use matches instead of plastic encased lighters. Bring your own bag to all stores you shop in and say, "No bag needed, thanks." Don't use plastic cutting boards. Use wood or glass. Use cloth-based toys for your pets, like catnip mice and soft squishy balls. Use junk mail and other paper to stuff into big packages to ship instead of bubble wrap or air-filled plastic. Use real silverware for parties instead of plastic.